An airstrike on a children's play area killed at least 7 people in the capital of Ethiopia's northern Tigray region on Friday, medical officials there said, the first such attack after a 4-month-old ceasefire collapsed this week. The official said 3 children were among the dead, but a federal government spokesman denied any civilian casualties. The airstrike on Mekelle took place 2 days after fighting broke out again between the national government and Tigray and forces on the border of the Tigray and Amhara regions, shattering the ceasefire. Tigray television, controlled by the regional authorities, blamed the federal government for the strike. No other military aircraft operate in Ethiopian airspace. Federal government spokesperson Legus Tulu said news of civilian casualties was lies and fabricated drama and accused Tigray and authorities of dumping body bags. He denied government strikes hit civilian facilities and said they only targeted military sites.